Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the Word document in the mobile Word app or a compatible editor. Tap the file from Files or your cloud drive. This gives the app access to fonts, layout, and images so conversion preserves formatting. If prompted, sign in to the same account holding the file to avoid download issues. Once the document loads, skim headings and images so you notice any layout quirks that may alter after export. This saves back and forth later. Now choose Export or Save As and pick PDF as the format. This step converts inline styles into a fixed layout file for sharing. Make sure to set page range and image quality so file size matches your needs and include comments or markup if required. Once you tap Export, pick where to store the PDF, local device, cloud drive, or attach directly to an email. This ensures recipients see a consistent layout and reduces compatibility. Finish by opening the saved PDF to confirm headings, fonts, and images rendered correctly. This verifies the file is ready to share. If export fails, try Print and select Save as PDF or use a different app, because Print to PDF often bypasses export glitches. Make sure embedded fonts and images appear. If not, return to Word, flatten images, or embed fonts and repeat. If problems persist, restart the app or upload to cloud and convert there as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.